Think you need to spend a fortune to get clean, professional wire cuts? Think again. Welcome back to Top Home Finds. Today we're counting down the top 5 best budget diagonal pliers that deliver premium performance without breaking the bank. If you love finding the best value tools, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Let's get right into it. First up is the Util Mart. Here are some advantages of the Util Mart pliers. High-strength drop-forged steel construction, forged from premium-grade steel to ensure long-term durability and structural rigidity, preventing the handles from bending or twisting under heavy mechanical loads. Efficient compound cutting leverage, engineered with an optimized pivot design that significantly amplifies hand force, allowing for smooth, clean cuts through tough wires and small bolts with minimal physical exertion. Ergonomic comfort grip handles, wrapped in non-slip molded plastic grips that provide maximum tactile control and dampen vibrations, which substantially reduces hand fatigue during repetitive or extended operations. Versatile utility and sharpness, outfitted with precision ground cutting edges designed to cleanly snip standard iron wire, electrical cables, chains, and soft metals without fraying the material or prematurely dulling the blades. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the WorkPro. Here are some advantages of the WorkPro pliers. High-grade chrome vanadium steel construction. Drop forged from premium chrome vanadium steel and treated with a rust-resistant finish, these pliers offer exceptional structural strength, hardness, and long-term durability. Precision machined cutting edges. Features hardened, meticulously aligned jaw blades designed to deliver clean, effortless cuts through various wire gauges and cables without leaving frayed edges or prematurely dulling the steel. Ergonomic anti-slip comfort grips, wrapped in dual material molded handles that provide maximum tactile control and reduce user hand fatigue during repetitive tasks or extended real-world operations. Excellent value and everyday capability, delivers highly reliable trade-grade functionality and solid build quality that closely rivals premium brands, making it an incredibly cost-effective addition to any home garage or DIY tool roll. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the SK Tools. Here are some advantages of the SK Tools pliers. Laser-hardened premium steel construction. Drop forged from high-grade chrome vanadium alloy steel and finished with an anti-rust lacquer. High-leverage mechanical advantage. Specifically designed with a flush rivet and optimized pivot position that delivers a claimed 30% reduction in required cutting force. Meticulously hand-sharpened cutting edges. Features precision knife-to-knife aligned cutting blades that cut cleanly all the way to the tip, slicing smoothly through wires, plastic tubing, and small hardware without. Heavy-duty ergonomic comfort grips. Equipped with thick, dual-material non-slip handles featuring distinctive brand accenting that provide an excellent tactile grip. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Craftsman. Here are some advantages of the Craftsman pliers. Forged alloy steel with corrosion-resistant coating. Drop forged from high-strength alloy steel and treated with a specialized rust-resistant finish, these pliers offer reliable structural durability. Hardened induction cut blades. Features precision-machined, induction-hardened cutting edges designed to deliver clean, effortless snips through. Ergonomic anti-slip comfort grips, wrapped in dual-material multi-zone handles that offer a secure, highly tactile grip, dampening vibrations and reducing user hand fatigue when applying maximum hand torque. Full lifetime warranty assurance, backed by the brand's historic and hassle-free lifetime tool guarantee, giving DIYers and professional mechanics long-term peace of mind regarding. Check the description for more details on this product. And fifth, we have the Engineer. Here are some advantages of the Engineer pliers. Patented screw removal technology. Features uniquely designed vertical and horizontal serrations inside the jaws, allowing users to firmly grip and effortlessly extract stripped. Exceptionally sharp side cutting edges, outfitted with high-precision, hardened cutting blades that deliver clean-shaven cuts. Premium Japanese carbon steel construction. forged from high-grade carbon alloy steel for maximum hardness, structural rigidity, and long-term durability. Check the description for more details on this product. That wraps up our list of the best budget diagonal pliers. Thank you so much for watching Top Home Finds. We wish you all the absolute best with your projects and your everyday builds. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.